Nobody tells you this, but the most dangerous phase of your life is not when everything falls apart. It's when everything looks fine, but you're slowly becoming someone you don't respect. You're functioning, you're showing up, but deep down, you know you need to rebuild yourself. The problem is, you're trying to do it fast, emotionally, desperately, and that's exactly why you keep failing. Because real transformation is calm. And listen, if you're serious about changing your life, not just feeling motivated for a few minutes, then stay with me till the end of this video, because what I'm about to share might completely change the way you rebuild yourself. Here are 5 Stoic lessons that will teach you how to rebuild yourself the right way. Not rushed, not chaotic, but controlled. And if this message resonates with you at any point, drop a like and subscribe to this channel. And most important, let me know in the comments. I'm rebuilding. Stoic Lesson 1, Control. Control what you can. Ignore what you can't. Most people waste their energy on things they can't control. Other people's opinions, past mistakes, outcomes that haven't even happened yet. And because of that, they stay stuck. If you want to rebuild yourself, start here. Ask yourself every day, what is actually in my control right now? Your habits, your focus, your effort. That's it. Everything else, noise. Calm people don't chase control. They focus only on what's theirs. Stoic Lesson 2, Acceptance. Accept reality before trying to change it. You can't rebuild your life while you're still denying where you are. Some of you know your habits are bad. Your environment is wrong. Your mindset is weak. But instead of accepting it, you avoid it. And avoidance delays transformation. Stoicism teaches one brutal truth. Face reality fully. No excuses. No sugarcoating. Because the moment you accept where you are, you gain the power to change it. Stoic Lesson 3, Emotional Control. If you can't control your emotions, you can't control your life. Most people rebuild based on how they feel. They feel motivated. They work. They feel tired. They stop. They feel doubt. They quit. That's not growth. That's instability. Stoics understood this. Your emotions are temporary. Your discipline shouldn't be. Rebuilding calmly means you stop reacting and start deciding. Stoic Lesson 4, Identity. Become the person, not just chase the result. Most people say, I want success. I want confidence. I want discipline. But they never ask, who do I need to become to have these things? Because rebuilding isn't about outcomes, it's about identity. You don't wake up one day successful. You become someone who shows up daily, keeps promises to themselves, stays consistent when it's boring. And over time, results follow identity. Stoic Lesson 5, Consistency. Small actions repeated daily shape your destiny. Here's where most people fail. They go all in, then burn out. They want fast change, so they quit when it's slow. But calm rebuilding looks different. It's quiet. It's waking up and doing the work anyway, fixing one habit at a time, improving 1% daily. No pressure, no chaos, just repetition. Because at the end of the day, you don't transform through intensity. You transform through consistency. So if you feel like you've lost yourself, good. That means you're aware. And awareness is the beginning of rebuilding. But don't rush this process. Don't panic. Don't try to fix everything overnight. Instead, control what you can. Accept where you are. Master your emotions. Build your identity. Stay consistent. Do it calmly. Because one day, without even realizing it, you'll look at your life and see someone you rebuilt, piece by piece.